Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. Jamaica equaled its second highest ever medal tally after copying a medal on the final day of the World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. The quartet of Candice McLeod, Genevieve Russell, Nikisha Price and Stacey Ann Williams, with a time of 3 minutes 20.88, took silver behind the Netherlands, who won in a world-leading 3:20.72, with Great Britain getting bronze in 3:21.04. In the men's equivalent, Jamaica were unable to get to the podium. Rasheen McDonald, Rashawn Clark, Zandrian Barnes and Antonio Watson clocked a season's best 2:59.34, but had to settle for fourth as the event was won by the USA in a world-leading 2:57.31. Lamara Distin finished fifth in the high jump. She had a best clearance of 1.94 meters. That event was won by Yaroslava Mahuchik of Ukraine, who cleared 2.01 meters. Jamaica finished fourth on the medal table with 12 medals, comprising 3 gold, 5 silver and 4 bronze, which equaled their second highest ever haul at the championships. Now, the under-17 reggae girls failed to advance to the age group CONCACAF Championship after suffering a 1-0 loss to Panama at Sabina Park yesterday. The girls battled the Panamanians on Friday and ended in a 1-1 draw as the two other countries in the group withdrew from the competition. The Jamaicans had chances in the contest. However, the visitors were the ones who broke the deadlock as Analia Arosimena netted in the 37th minute.
I mean, they left it out there. They gave everything they have, with the opportunities that we didn't capitalize on. It was a tough game for us from a fitness standpoint. Our bench was short. And so, with the injuries that we have, there are some players that couldn't play. And so, you see what the players had to give, and they gave it. And I'm proud of them for giving the effort that they gave.
And the Jamaica Tallows will look to get back to winning ways when they play the Barbados Royals in the CPL on Thursday. The Tallows lost their first match of the season, going down to the Ghana Amazon Warriors by 34 runs at Warner Park in St. Kitts. Centre back, the Amazon Warriors posted 210 for 7 from their 20 overs. Shimron Hetmeyer top scored with 63, while Kimo Paul chipped in with 56. Mohamed Amir did the most damage for the Jamaican bowlers with figures of 3 for 33. Chris Green had 2 for 28 and Raymond Reefer got in the wickets as well. In their chase, the Jamaicans were dismissed for 176. Imad Wazeem showed the most fight. He made 63 off just 36 balls. Captain Brandon King only made 1. And 65 candidates are now part of a Sports for Youth development program headed by staff members of the G.C. Foster College of Physical Education and Sport, currently underway in Trinidad and Tobago. The course is set to train coaches within the education system at early childhood, primary and secondary levels. Team leader Dr. George Dawkins says they have a clear outline of what they're looking to achieve with the group.
The 4 modules are teaching physical education and sports. The second module, game skills, and the third, track and field. They're particularly interested in the area of track and field, and that's the emphasis. So we have begun using a training model in terms of providing the theory, demonstration, modeling, practice with feedback, and we intend to go beyond that for impact and sustainability.
The program began on August 15 and will run until August 30. And that does it for your Midday Sports. O'Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's it for your Midday News package. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.